will be leaving at an appropriate time and in an orderly and organized way. We've already heard the President of DRC, His Excellency Felix Tshisekedi, who has left us. We thank him for making time. And he will be followed by His Excellency President Salva Kiir of South Sudan, who will also leave, and he will be followed by His Excellency the President of Burundi. His Excellency the President of Burundi will be followed by His Excellency the President of Togo, and we will continue to announce as appropriate when our distinguished heads of state and government leave these grounds. We request the members of the public and all distinguished guests in your respective capacities to remain seated. Remain seated.
Gwanda tatoka wanjani kwa mwendo wa rock. Usawa clear kwa ujumla. Clear.
Congratulations, Parade Commander Brigadier General John Bosco Singuza, for a job well done. A big round of applause. He has now handed over the parade to the parade second in command, Colonel Stuart Agawa. Colonel Stuart Agawa, who will now proceed to march off the parade from the parade square. We salute the gallant officers, men and women, who have participated in today's parade, including the different arms of UPDF. So, after that, there will be congratulations. Huh? Congratulations. And then invite His Excellency to recognize the heads of state and then address the nation. She introduces. Shall follow the proclamations. Your Excellencies and distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause to the officers, men and women, who have given us a very colorful parade performance. Thank you very much. I will now hand over back to my co-MC, the Permanent Secretary Minister of Foreign Affairs, Honorable Vincent Vajire, who will in turn invite the Director of Ceremonies, Her Excellency, the Vice President, Honorable Jessica Alupo. Over to you, Honorable Vincent Vajire.
Thank you very much, Colonel Chris Magezi, indeed the commander of the parade, for that excellent job that you have done. Your Excellency and distinguished guests, the Director of Ceremonies, Her Excellency the Vice President, will now congratulate His Excellency the President upon assumption of the highest office in the land. And thereafter, she shall introduce visiting heads of state and government to His Excellency the President. Your Excellency, Jessica Alupo.
Excellency, distinguished guests, the parade commander,
with our very distinguished visitors, heads of state and government, and other international delegations from all countries around the world. We are honored and deeply appreciate the presence of all those who have traveled from far and wide to join Ugandans and His Excellency the President-elect as he is sworn in for another historic term of office from 2026 to 2031. Ugandans have expressed their confidence in His Excellency's visionary leadership, and they granted him another popular mandate. His Excellency the President will take his position and remain standing as we lower the presidential standard flag. Parade Commander.
Sir, begin! Huko! Salam ya bendera! Heshima tu!
The lowering of the presidential standard flag.
Sir, begin! Huko! Officers! Jam Apuye.
Your Excellencies and distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, what you've just seen has been the lowering of the presidential standard flag, marking the end of the current term of office of the NRM administration.
Tarabusa bendera. Ya puri. Mwili lagaza.
Marking the end of the NRM administration from 2021 to 2026. We will shortly embark on another one after the swearing-in processes. But first, we will have prayers by our distinguished eminent members of the clergy.